All right, guys, Scoots, we have not put on the back burner. Scoots is just kind of chilling under our new car cover here, which is doing great. You saw us upgrade our trailer lights, which is, that's nice and all. But FTI did get back to me, and they were supposed to have the torque converter done by the end of the week, which was this past Friday. But it was not done by the end of the week. So, I'm not mad. We're doing stuff with Chuck's build, and we're doing stuff. So after we get our torque converter, that's going to be $500 in costs. It would have been totally warranted for repairs, but since we're changing the stall, it's going to be $500 in parts that they're putting into it and labor. So what we're going to do is, once we do that, I talked to them on the phone, and they said since they're an hour and 45 away, you have the option to pick it up or ship it, and they're going to give me a free shirt, which was kind of cool of them. Now, they said if you do want to pick it up and you come in here, we'll give you a tour of the facility. So I didn't tell them that I do YouTube, but I am definitely going to pick it up and take a tour of the FTI facility and bring you guys along, which when we get there, I will have to tell them I do YouTube, and, you guys will get to come along, and maybe I'll get a free hat out of it or something. I don't know. I like my hat, so. Wifey said, "Oh, I want to go," which blew my mind, right? Camera lady, right?
Yep, mind blown.
No, you said I want to go. Do you not want to go?
Yes.
Oh, okay then. See, I could have taken somebody else, I'm playing. So yeah, Scoots are just sitting here, just kind of chilling. We're going to get it back up and running. It's going to take a little bit of time. We still have to get a 300M input shaft and a 300M intermediate shaft, and that's a good $1,000 between the both, really. So it might be a little bit longer even after I get the torque converter, but Scoots is not getting put on the back burner. We're just kind of, saving our cheddar, doing what we can. That's how we roll. Chuck's build's coming along. He's got his engine in the engine shop now, and he's got carpet coming in this coming week. And yeah, so you guys are going to get to kind of see his build progress while we're waiting on Scoots, and then you'll get to see Scoots progress while we're waiting on his build. Now, he originally did not name it Sexy Red. Sexy Red is actually a rapper.
My baby dad, my baby dad, my baby dad, I'm a fine ass bitch, I ain't in the house fast. My baby dad, bow, 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 that's that booty me.
That Chuck likes to listen to, which you would look at Chuck and you'd look at his square body Chevy and you would look at his swamp buggy and everything else, and you would not see that, but that's Chuck. That's what Chuck likes. And we'll bump some Sexy Red here and there when we're feeling froggy, but yeah, that's where everything's at. I'm just trying to give you guys a general update. I'm not trying to make this video long and drawn out, just kind of like keep you guys in the loop of what's going on. It's crazy, working with Chuck on his car and everything. It's not my car, but I put 150% into it, 200% effort into it, and what made me realize is this is stuff I'd like to do for a living. So I don't know, that's kind of making me wonder too. Maybe we should just start a hood rat shop, just this is what we do. You bring us monies, we'll do it for you. So we'll figure all that out in time, but all right, that's our update. I'll see y'all in the next one.